everyone. This is Librarian Maggie here with your monthly craft. If you registered for the program, your kit will include a stick stem, some green ribbon, and a piece of fall-themed fabric. There are a few different patterns, so it will vary. You won't all have this one. And the only thing you will need to provide is a roll of toilet paper. This is a really, really simple craft, really almost more of a DIY that you can use to disguise some extra rolls of toilet paper in your bathroom for the fall season when you have guests over. All you're going to do is open up your fabric, and you're going to put your toilet paper right in the middle, and you're just going to tuck your fabric in to the hole. Of course, if you have larger roll of toilet paper, maybe you need some more fabric. I don't think you should. This is a pretty nice size piece, but you can always, if you're going to make any more, it could be larger, smaller, and that's all there is to it. You just fold it into the center like that, and then you're going to take your ribbon and stick it in the center as well. And your stem. And there you have a really, really cute fall pumpkin, and no one else will know it's toilet paper. So it's just a cute way to dress up your bathroom and be a little festive for the season. And of course, you can always cut your ribbon down if you want a certain shape. Use any fabrics you want. You could also do this in September. Use reds for apples. So there's a lot of ways you can do this. So I hope you enjoyed this easy DIY, and I will see you in our next video.